And that door may be shut and locked. Arguing with Rick Scott didn't work. Suing him didn't work. But pro-rail officials are willing to try one last Hail Mary pass before they throw away the key.
May it please the court, Charles Trippi, General Counsel.
The lawsuit was a long shot. Two lawmakers, a Democrat and a Republican, claimed Rick Scott was breaking the law by refusing to accept and distribute $2.4 billion in federal funding. Today, the defeat came in a brief decision that read, in part, the court has determined that the petitioners have not clearly demonstrated entitlement to any other relief. The emergency petition is hereby denied. Then, in capital letters, no motion for rehearing shall be permitted.
I don't think you could expect the courts to step in and resolve this issue. This is a political issue. That's how the court saw it, and I think they were correct.
Tampa lawyer Bob Busing didn't think the rail backers had a chance, and even Senator Bill Nelson, the most persistent backer of high-speed rail, seemed beaten down by the repeated defeats.
And it's unfortunate for the 24,000 people that will not have these jobs in the next few years.
Federal Transportation Secretary Ray LaHood said the $2.4 billion will be sent to other states. New York and California are thought to be at the head of the line. And in what might be considered a consolation prize, Governor Rick Scott announced the support of a major dredging project at the Port of Miami that would allow for larger ships coming through the Panama Canal.
Is there any other legal recourse that people who support high-speed rail have?
Well, go to the polls and vote differently.
Well, that opportunity doesn't come up for nearly 4 years, and it's possible the governor's gaining political support with his opposition to rail. But is it really over? Senator Bill Nelson late today announced one more attempt to get the federal government to award the money directly to local governments along the rail line, bypassing the governor altogether. We'll follow that effort as well. Jameson?
All right, thank you, Brendan. For thousands